Welcome to Teco World. Today we will learn how to get music for YouTube videos without getting copyright infringement for free. First, go to purpleplanet.com. Now choose any category you wish. After that, choose the music track you like and download it. Now after you have used it in your video, give the credit in the description of your video. Perfect? Second, go to bensound.com. Click royalty-free music. After that, choose and download the music track you like. Now after you have used it in your video, give the credit of the music in your video's description by pasting the selected text. Perfect. Third, go to incontech.com. Click royalty-free music. Click view collections and choose from many options that are given. Click any music track and click listen now to listen to it. Download the music. Now after you have used it in your video, give credits by pasting the text below the music. In these methods, there will not be any copyright infringement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share and like to support.